Have you ever tried to start a workout routine but ended up quitting after a few weeks? Or maybe you felt motivated at first, but the lack of quick results made you fall back into your old habits. If so, you're not alone. The truth is, transforming your body and mind is not about willpower, it's about a system that works. And in this video, I'll show you a 6-month challenge that anyone can follow to build discipline, gain more energy, and finally achieve lasting change. Imagine waking up every day feeling stronger, more confident, and in control of your life. It's not about extreme diets or impossible workouts. This is a practical, sustainable method designed to fit into your routine. If you want to learn how to overcome a lack of motivation, maintain consistency, and see real results in just 6 months, stay with me until the end, because this could be the plan that transforms your life. Let's get started. Most people start full of motivation, but after a few weeks, that initial energy fades away. And why does this happen? Because we're wired to seek immediate rewards. If results don't come quickly, our mind convinces us that we're wasting time. But here's the truth. Real transformation doesn't happen in days or weeks. It happens when you build solid, sustainable habits. The most common mistake I see is setting unrealistic goals. People who have never worked out before decide they will go to the gym 7 days a week and cut out all the foods they enjoy. This doesn't work. Extreme changes are hard to maintain. Another mistake is not having a clear plan. If you arrive at the gym not knowing what to do, you'll feel lost and demotivated. And finally, many people give up at the first obstacle. They think one bad day means they've completely failed, when in fact, what matters is long-term consistency. If you've gone through this, don't worry. Today, I'll show you a method that actually works. A 6-month plan divided into 3 phases to make the transition easier and ensure you stay consistent. In the first 30 days, the focus is not on intensity, but on building habits. This means starting small, but being consistent. If you've never worked out before, just 10-minute workouts per day are enough. The key is to create a daily habit. In this phase, it's also not necessary to drastically change your diet. Small adjustments like drinking more water, eating more protein, and avoiding too much sugar will make a big difference. In the 2nd and 3rd months, we increase the intensity. Now that your body and mind have adapted to the new routine, we can level up. This means longer workouts, heavier weights, and progressive challenges. If you started by working out 3 times a week, you can now increase it to 4 or 5. Your diet can also evolve. More nutrient-dense meals and fewer processed foods. The most important thing in this phase is learning how to overcome low motivation days. And a powerful trick to do this is to never wait for motivation to arrive. You act first, and motivation follows. In the final 3 months, we consolidate the transformation. By now, the routine should be ingrained in your day-to-day life. Your body is stronger, your mind is more resilient, and the results are visible. But it's in this phase that many people relax and risk regressing. To avoid this, introduce new challenges, like trying new exercises, changing your workout split, or setting new goals, such as running a specific distance or lifting more weight. This is the secret to continuing to evolve. Now that you understand the structure of the plan, let's talk about 2 essential factors for success: workouts and nutrition. Your workout needs to be adaptable to your level. If you're a beginner, full-body workouts 3 times a week are a great place to start. Exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks are effective and can be done at home. If you already have experience, you can split your workouts between different muscle groups and increase the intensity. Nutrition doesn't need to be complicated either. Instead of following rigid diets, focus on the basics: protein for muscle recovery, carbs for energy, and healthy fats for hormonal balance. A common mistake is thinking you need to cut out everything you love. The secret is balance. 80% of the time, eat healthy, and 20% of the time, enjoy yourself without guilt. And to prove that this method works, I want to share some real transformation stories. People who were exactly where you are now and in just 6 months completely changed. They didn't have privileged genetics, nor unlimited time. What made the difference was consistency. Some started by walking 10 minutes a day, and now they run marathons. Others swapped fast food for homemade meals and now have more energy than ever. If they can do it, so can you. Now the big question, are you ready for the challenge? If so, here's your first task. Choose a goal for the next 6 months and write it in the comments. It can be losing weight, gaining muscle, or simply feeling healthier and more energetic. The important thing is to have clarity about where you want to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more content like this. And remember, you have everything you need to change your life. You just need to take the first step. See you in the next video.